All right, everybody, it's that time of year again. Time for our annual holiday sale. If you're watching this when it is first released, today is October 27th. The sale begins October 30th and runs all the way through November 30th. We like to take it easy. We don't love shipping an entire month's worth of packages in one day, and we want to make sure that the holiday season goes nice and easy and smooth for everybody involved, especially you folks. The sale this year is super easy. It's 10% off everything site-wide and free UPS ground shipping on orders over 40 bucks. Please do your best to avoid USPS. The hub near our distribution center is pretty iffy, and we don't want you to have to experience package delays or lost orders leading up to the holidays. So we're offering free UPS ground shipping on orders over 40 bucks. How do you get this discount? Well, it's automatically applied in the cart. All the prices on the website are going to look normal until you put stuff in your cart, and then it will calculate the discount and give you free shipping. What if your order's not over 40 bucks? What if you just want, I don't know, some of our holster wedges? Well, those always ship for free because we're sure you're going to love them. So we just give you free ground shipping on those all the time. So from the top, 10% off everything site-wide, free UPS ground shipping on orders over 40 bucks. Sale starts October 30th, goes through November 30th. The discount will show up in the cart once you've put everything in it. Please, if you can help it, avoid USPS for all shipping between now and Christmas. Nice and easy, all month long, no rush, no fuss, no headache, no waiting for one day to buy everything. The holidays, they're about your family. They're not about consumerism. We don't do big consumerist stuff here, but we want to say thank you. So we're offering you a holiday sale. Have a super excellent Thanksgiving and a very Merry Christmas from all of us here at PHLster.